7 ways to ensure your body language is congruent with your message. Not sure your message is getting across? It might be because you're sending mixed signals. By paying attention to your body language, you can be sure you're always saying exactly what you intend, both verbally and non-verbally. Follow these quick tips to make sure your body language is congruent with your message. Know what you're talking about. It's impossible to convey to the world anything very clearly if you're not sure what you're saying in the first place. Your body language will give away your own confusion, and more often than not, leave your audience confused as to what you're trying to convey. This is why it's so important to settle in your own mind what your goals are before you even begin. Believe what you say. If you're not buying what you're selling, then how in the world do you expect others to believe you? This means you need to know what you're talking about and you need to believe in the words you say. Unsure of the veracity of your message? You'll need to convince yourself if you expect your body language to sync up. Take a minute. Body language will look forced if you're nervous, regardless of what you're saying. Take a deep breath. Shake out your hands or go into a restroom to regroup if you're getting overwhelmed. Once calm, continue, knowing your body language will convey this, which will be taken as confidence in your message. Don't oversell the part. Using large, exuberant gestures only makes your body language look insincere and like something out of a melodrama. Keep your movements natural, your gestures slow and easy. Be honest. How can you expect your body language to say you're sincere when you're not? Be authentic in what you're talking about, and your body will reflect this. Read the crowd. Learning some of the basics of body language will help you to adjust your own. Pay attention to the signals that someone is losing interest, crossed arms, looking away. These are examples of closed body language, and it shows that something about your message is throwing them off or making them feel anxious. It might be time to adjust what you're doing to create the incongruency. Create rapport. Lean in while talking. Keep the eye contact at a comfortable level, and encourage your listener to relax into the conversation with you. Once you have rapport between you, you know your message is being listened to in the way you want it to be. In short, if you want your message to be heard and accepted, pay attention to your body language and theirs. A little effort on your part will go a long way toward creating the situation you desire.